welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to learn on how to repair the screen. So the first thing, as I've always said in my tutorials, so the first thing, always make sure that the laptop or the PC is not connected to any power. Secondly, remove the battery, and then wrong press the power button. So after you have done those steps, you are sure that your motherboard cannot short circuit, or you cannot destroy your motherboard. So after you have done those things, make sure you open your laptop. So fortunately, up to the rest of this tutorial. So the first thing, you are going to open your laptop like this. So these are the cables that are attached to the screen. These are the antennas that enables the Wi-Fi card to access the network. So these are the cables, they are attached to the screen, and the other screen or the display lens is this one. So you make sure you also open it. So this is the one that helps the PC to display. Without this, your PC cannot display. So we are repairing the screen. So the damn thing, so we continue scrolling. So this is the CPU of the laptop, and this is the screen. So we are not interested in this today, but we are going to repair this. So this is the screen of the laptop, this is the display cable, and these are the antennas that helps the Wi-Fi card to access the network. So we are going to open this. It is not screwed. It is not screwed. After you have removed the casing, you will access the screen. This is the screen, but it is tied in the corners. It is tied in the corners. So we shall screw these screws. So after you have screwed all the screws, so you can access your screen. So this is the screen. Be careful not to destroy it. Be very careful not to destroy the screen. So this is the screen. It is connected here in the back. Like this, you just pull like this, and you access your screen. So if your screen was damaged and you have purchased a repair one, you will just come and insert this cable in the new screens. So those are the few steps of replacing the laptop screen. Thanks for watching.